How to rock shorts after 50 with confidence. Are you tired of the fashion rules that come with hitting your 50s? It's time to shatter stereotypes and confidently embrace a wardrobe staple that knows no age limit. Shorts. Today we're going to explore how to rock shorts in your 50s, 60s, 70s, and beyond with style and confidence. Are you ready to learn styling tips and tricks to feel empowered in your shorts and discover how to accessorize for a chic look? It's time to break free and rock your shorts in your 50s like never before. And I'm 65 and still love to wear them and know that I will always wear them just like my mother before me. But we all know when we hit our 50s, we have to understand that age-related stereotypes are out there and they sometimes hold us back. By breaking free from these limiting beliefs, we can confidently embrace our style preferences and rock whatever we choose to wear. It's time to challenge the notion that certain clothing items are off limits based on age and empower ourselves to express our individuality through fashion. When it comes to choosing the right shorts for your body type, it's all about finding styles that accentuate your best features and make you feel comfortable and confident. For those with a pear-shaped body, high-waisted shorts can help accentuate your waist and elongate your legs. If you have an athletic build, opt for shorts with a structured fit, highlighting your toned legs. For those with a fuller figure, look for relaxed fit shorts that skim over your curves without being too tight. By selecting shorts that flatter your unique body shape, you'll feel your best and exude confidence in every outfit choice. Inseams. Let's take a very quick look at inseams because that does help us pick the right short for our body. And honestly, petites look better in shorter shorts. I would suggest 3 to 5 inches because showing more skin gives the illusion of longer legs. If you're 5'5" to 5'8", mid-length shorts from 7 inches to 9 inches always work. And if you're 5'9" or taller, look for 8-inch to 11-inch inseams. And when you're in doubt, you can use the fingertip rule, which is you just hold your hands to your side and wherever your fingertips end, that will be the length of your short. It's always a good rule of thumb to follow. And also too, if you're wearing a shorter shirt, because I still rock shorts 4 inches, definitely 5 inches, but another good rule of thumb is I wear flatter shoes. I'll wear ballet flats, I'll wear flat sandals, because the more skin that I expose, the lower shoe I want to have. It's just really, it's that yin and yang of fashion because I don't want to wear high heels if I'm showing a lot of leg or showing a lot of skin because that goes for dresses too. And when it comes to styling your shorts, the key is to choose pieces that make you feel good about yourself. Consider pairing your shorts with flowy tops or a structured tee to balance out the look. I also love to wear a cotton button-up or a silk button-up or even a linen button-up with shorts. Adding a belt can help you define your waist and create a more polished ensemble. And I'll just show you an example from a blog post that I just recently put up where I was rocking a pair of 5.5-inch inseam linen shorts from Banana Republic. And I love these shorts because they can be dressed up with a matching linen vest and blazer or dressed down with a black rib tee from Land's End. Instead of a leather or straw belt, I chose a silk scarf that can double as a belt. And I shared it 2 ways that you can style it. One is you just fold it into a triangle and you let the triangle sit on one hip and then you tie it on the other. And the other way is just to loop it through your belt loops. And for a casual touch, I added a straw tote and a straw hat because we all know that accessories are the icing on the cake and they add texture to the outfit. You could also use accessories like statement earrings or a bold necklace because that will also add an extra touch of personality to your outfit. Experiment with different shoes. Sometimes sleek sneakers might be a good choice or stylish sandals to find what makes you feel the most confident. In a world full of age-related fashion stereotypes, it's time to break free and embrace your style with confidence. And if you've made it this far in the video, you might as well hit the subscription box down below and the notification bell. And there are 3 things you can do to help me grow the channel. Like, share, and comment. By choosing the right shorts for your body type, styling them to feel confident, and accessorizing for a chic look, you can rock shorts in your 50s like never before. As you step out in your favorite pair, remember, true style knows no age limits. So go ahead, defy expectations, and show the world that confidence is always in fashion. Remember, age is just a number, style is timeless. And I love that there are so many options as far as styles of shorts. Not only do we have different silhouettes, but we have different styles. So one of the shorts that I live in all summer long are linen drawstring shorts. And these are a little bit shorter. So I think they're perfect for just lounging around the house, or if I had a casual backyard barbecue to go to, or something that was very, very casual, I would wear these out of the house. They are just so comfortable and come in a variety of colors and patterns. And my favorites are, I love J.Crew. Talbot's always has a good lineup of drawstring linen shorts. And my new favorites are Faraday. I discovered Faraday, a couple of years ago, and I love a couple of their tops and sweaters. And I recently, when I was in Tybee, when I was shopping in Savannah, I stopped in their store and picked up these navy blue drawstring shorts and khaki, or maybe they're more of maybe it's not quite a khaki, but they're definitely a neutral. And they look absolutely adorable with a striped sweater, also from Faraday. Or again, you can come in with a very relaxed tee. I love rib tees. Land's End makes some great ones without breaking the bank. So definitely linen shorts are on my style repeat all summer long. And another short I love to wear in the summertime are just denim cutoffs. And these might not be for everybody because they really do have a very casual vibe. And it honestly harkens back to my teen years when I would take just a pair of denim that I've been wearing for a long time, and then I would just cut them off and turn them into shorts. But now you can purchase them at many of your favorite brands. I love a Goldie that are available at Nordstrom. You can get them at Saks, Bloomies, just all the major retailers. But if you don't like the cutoff short, a Goldie makes a beautiful longer length. They're not quite Bermudas, but they're a longer length denim. And then you can get them in different lengths too. But I absolutely love a pair of denim shorts, and they go great. You can really dress it up with a blazer. You can actually, maybe wear some heels if you have the longer length, or you can also dress them down. But definitely denim shorts are, again, on style repeat for me all summer long. And recently on Style at Every Age, and that's the series that I have with my daughters-in-law, Chelsea and Kelly, and that goes along with our podcast, Message from Mom. And if you haven't subscribed yet, I hope you come join us, and we'll have the link down below. You can find us over on YouTube, and you can also find us wherever you listen to your podcast. But in conjunction with our podcast, we have a Style at Every Age, so we're rocking the same item in our 30s, 40s, and 60s, and we picked out these cute pleated chinos from J.Crew. I mean, honestly, J.Crew has a great selection of shorts. Talbot's does too. But anyway, love the length of these. And Kelly actually came along and cuffed them. So I thought that was a really cute way to style them. Or you can leave them very long, and they're very Bermuda-esque. So definitely think about adding chino shorts to your wardrobe. All right, ladies, I hope you found at least 1 or 2 tips that will help you rock your short game with confidence. Of course, give me a thumbs up if you like the video, leave a comment down below, and I'll see you again very, very soon. Bye-bye.